Hello. Have you been searching and seeking for a, how shall we say, platform where you can share very deeply your true self and to connect with people of like mind and heart? A place where you can share very deeply and receive current teachings that are relevant for this time of great change and transition. Are you seeking a connection to where you can feel energetically very supported and loved and acknowledged, where you can be reminded of that which you already know? A platform where you can basically be yourself and to hang out with high vibrational energies and people. Well, if so, we are starting our Joyful Creations Academy, a new membership program that may be designed for people just like you, but you would have to go check it out to see if it's a beautiful and perfect fit for you. We feel it can be just what you're looking for. So feel free to check this out, and in the meantime, have a very blessed new year.